In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads for 2024 in this full tutorial. This process is vital for those looking to streamline their marketing efforts by synchronizing two of the most powerful digital marketing tools out there. So let's get started and make sure your integration goes smoothly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar with HubSpot, it's a robust platform designed to help you with all your marketing needs, from content management to customer relationship management. You can easily find their homepage by going to their official website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. It's usually at the top right corner of the homepage, waiting for you to click it. After you click sign in, log in using your user credentials. Remember to use the password associated with your HubSpot account to ensure a quick access without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your control center where you can access all the incredible tools HubSpot has to offer. What you need to do now is locate the marketplace icon. This icon is generally represented by a small grid or a storefront image and is situated on the main dashboard. Click on it and it will lead you to a world of potential app integrations and solutions that you can browse through. In the marketplace, you'll spot the apps section. Click on that and it will showcase the various applications that can integrate with your HubSpot account. Your focus today is on connecting with Meta ads, so next you'll look for Facebook ads or Meta ads as it may be listed. Once you've found the Meta ads in the app listings, click on it. Now, right on the page for Meta ads, you should see an install app button. By clicking this, you will initiate the integration process. Depending on your HubSpot account settings, you may be prompted to log into your Facebook account or provide some permissions for the integration. This step is important as it grants HubSpot access to your Facebook ads account, allowing seamless synchronization between the two platforms. Following these steps, we'll have your HubSpot and Facebook ads accounts linked in no time. Through this integration, you can effectively manage your ad campaigns and capture leads directly within HubSpot. This makes your advertising process more coherent and powerful. Remember, keeping your marketing platforms in sync is key to a more streamlined and efficient digital marketing strategy. With this knowledge, you're moving one step closer to optimizing your marketing efforts. Happy marketing!